Welcome back to How to Authority. Now, what exactly is that mysterious IMEI number you may have heard of before? Well, in short, IMEI, which stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity, is basically just a way to identify, say, a mobile device on a network, kind of like a phone or pretty much anything else, really. So how exactly do you find out what your phone's IMEI is then? On Android, you want to open the Settings tab, and from there you want to scroll down until you see About Phone or equivalent depending on your flavor of Android. Then scroll down until you see your IMEI number listed. So that's pretty simple, but what about if you're using Apple's iPhone instead? Well, there you want to launch the Settings app, then tap onto General, then go into About, and then scroll down until you see Available SIMs, where your IMEI will be listed there. However, there's one more, probably even simpler method that works on pretty much any phone. So you just want to go into your phone's dialer, and then type in *#06#, and it will load your phone's IMEI right there as well. If you also use Google's Find My Device network, you can also find the IMEI from the website. So if you go to this website right here, then click on your device from the list on the left, then click on the gear icon, your IMEI will also appear. But okay, unless you're just really curious like me and want to know everything about your phone, what use is there in knowing your IMEI? Well, one of the biggest is when it comes to, say, tracking a lost or stolen device, because you'll be able to provide the IMEI, so it's much easier to track it down. Also, if you're, say, planning on using a used phone and you're unsure if maybe it is stolen or has some other sketchy past, by going to this website, you can actually look up its IMEI online and see its status, like for example if it's been reported as stolen, or maybe it's just a brand new phone with no sketchy history. So that is pretty much everything you need to know about IMEIs, why they're useful and what they even do. So if you found this video helpful, then hey, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.